So we can do calculations also in logo command. So logo can be used as a calculator. The print command is used to perform mathematical operations. So print command we need from now in all cases. So rules to follow: print command, if we go for calculations, that what kind of calculation we are usually doing: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We need to consider that one. So at first we need to identify the symbols. Yes, you can see in print command, print 6 plus 9, output will be 15. So 6 plus 9, print 20 minus 8. If we put in command input box, the answer will come 12, and it will show the output. And after that, if we give 12 plus 15 minus 4, then the output will be 23. And in this portion, that means print 10 multiplied by 3. So multiplication symbol, we usually in our physical world we used to give x or the cross symbol, right? But in case of computer, it will not understand the language of x. It will understand only x for that only. So in place of into, we will give asterisk. Okay, asterisk. The symbol name is asterisk. 10 asterisk 3, that means 10 multiplied by 3 equals to 30. In similar way, print 34 divided by 2. So here division will be given by the slash symbol. So the computer system will come to know that, okay, that means the user or the programmer, I will say the programmer is giving the command to divide the 34 by 2, and it will do the processing, and after that it will show output, that is 17. Now how to write: after typing print command, leave one space. So you can see in every cases we need to give at least one space. More than one spaces will not be allowed. Now print command with mathematical function: print sum, if we want to add. So this function is used to add two or more numbers and display the result instead of giving the plus. If we, instead of given the plus symbol, if we write print and after that sum, 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 because we all know that the result comes from addition is considered as sum, and the result which comes from subtraction considered as difference. Comes from multiplication, the result comes from multiplication will be considered as product, and the result comes from division will be considered as quotient. So for addition we need to write print sum, and after that by your choice you can give number. Here it has been given 23 and 8, or you can go for three numbers also: sum 10 plus 20 plus 30. So we need not to give plus symbol here. Only what we need to do, print and after that one space, and in bracket we need to write sum, and those numbers which we want to sum, 10, 20, 30, maybe 40 will be there, 50, 60, by your choice, and the computer will show you the output. Now the last one, the difference, product, quotient. As I have told you that the result comes from subtraction is called difference. The result comes by multiplying two numbers, or yes, two numbers, it will be considered as product, and the result comes from division, it will be considered as quotient. But in case of division, one more thing is there, it's called remainder. Now print quotient, if we write print quotient 40 by 2, it will show you 20. But if you write print quotient 42, print remainder 42 also, then it will show what? The remainder for 40 divided by 2 is 0. So it will show you 0. Here they have given the example of like this way: print remainder 11 by 2. The output is 1. You can see under the print command it has been given 1, right? Why? Because if we divide 11 by 2, then we easily know that the remainder will be 1. So these are all examples we can try. We need to learn. If we don't have any computer, then we need to learn this. Now print with logical operators. So logical operators means what? Logic, which comes from logic. The logical word comes from logic. We need to think. Suppose 12 equals to 12. So what logical operator should we use? We will use equals to. In this way, greater than, suppose 12 is greater than 13, 13 is smaller than 14, like this way we need to use. How to use? You can see print 12 equals to 12, and that we put enter, then it will come true. If we put 12 equals to 14, it is not correct because 12 is not equal to 14, so it will show you false. If we put 12 is greater than 14 also, then it will show false. If you put 12 less than symbol and after that you are writing 14, that it will show 12, true. In this way, print 15 is greater than 12, greater than symbol is there, you can see it is also true. 12 greater than 15 is false. In such a way you can do. And after that, less than symbol is there. For greater than, true or false you have come to know, and for less than also you will come to know. So that's all for today. Now we need to solve the exercise. Okay, so Jai Gurudev, and keep in touch, practice more, learn more. Thank you.